Inexpensive methods to revitalize hair right at home. In today's video, we delve into the effectiveness and science behind home remedies for repairing damaged hair. This guide explores innovative at-home methods utilizing common household items, not only aiming to revitalize brittle and dry hair but also to enrich it with health and vibrancy. Avocado, a natural moisturizer. Avocado is celebrated for its high content of vitamins, essential fatty acids, and minerals, making it an excellent choice for hair restoration. A homemade mask of mashed avocado and egg applied to wet hair infuses strands with moisture and nutrients, promoting hair strength and shine. The rich texture of avocado deeply conditions the hair, contributing to its recovery from damage. Butter, for added gloss. Treating dry hair with a small amount of butter can impart a noticeable shine. This method involves massaging butter into the hair, then covering it with a shower cap for enhanced absorption. The fat content in butter coats the hair shaft, reducing frizz and enhancing the hair's natural gloss. It's advisable to clarify the butter before application to avoid residue. Olive oil, hot oil treatment. Olive oil, known for its deep moisturizing properties, can be used as a hot oil treatment. Warming the oil and applying it to the hair helps to penetrate the hair shaft, offering deep conditioning. This method effectively combats dryness and brittleness, restoring elasticity and shine to the hair. Tea rinse, enhancing hair color. Utilizing tea as a final rinse can naturally enhance hair color and shine. The tannins in tea can subtly deepen color and add a radiant sheen. Selection of tea type based on hair color can optimize results, with chamomile tea being beneficial for blondes and black tea for brunettes. Apple cider vinegar, restoring pH balance. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps to normalize the hair's pH balance and seal the cuticle. This process not only enhances shine but also smooths the hair's surface, reducing frizz and promoting overall hair health. Dilution with water is crucial to prevent acidity from damaging the hair. Egg mask, for hair strength. Eggs, particularly egg yolks, are rich in proteins and fats, which are essential for hair strength. A mask combining egg yolk, yogurt, and honey can provide intensive nourishment, reinforcing the hair structure and preventing breakage. Natural oils, versatile repair solutions. The choice of natural oils like olive, avocado, sweet almond, or coconut oil depends on hair type and damage level. These oils offer a range of fatty acids and nutrients essential for hair repair. The application method promotes absorption, enhancing hair health and preventing further damage. Jojoba oil, mimicking sebum. Jojoba oil's similarity to human sebum makes it an excellent conditioner that can naturally balance hair's moisture levels. Its use, particularly in combination with sandalwood oil, can tame flyaways and add sleekness to dry ends. Protecting hair from chlorine and saltwater by using an apple cider vinegar rinse before swimming can mitigate damage. Post-swimming, the application of conditioner further shields hair. Moreover, using a humidifier can counteract the drying effects of indoor heating, preserving hair moisture. Finally, minimizing hair stress by avoiding tight hairstyles encourages healthier hair growth and reduces breakage risk. These detailed analyses and professional insights underscore the scientific basis and effectiveness of using household items for hair repair. Implementing these strategies can lead to significantly healthier, more vibrant hair, showcasing the practical benefits of natural, accessible remedies.